Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how I replace a luggage wheel on this Samsonite briefcase. You can do this for other luggages. You're gonna access the axle from the inside, so you gotta remove the liner on both sides, and then there's a plastic shell that has some screws that need to be removed. First, I'm gonna use a drill to remove the wheel hub. And then once that is removed, I'm using an angle grinder to remove the rivet. There is no screw. Once the rivet was removed, I can remove the wheel. Next, I'm gonna remove the bearing on the luggage and then the axle. This was a solid core axle, just pounding it in with a hammer. And then to access the back end, you gotta remove the plastic from the inside of the luggage. There was 3 screws that need to be removed, and you have to pull back the plastic. Removing and installing the new axle was the hardest part of this repair because of the limited space in the luggage between the plastic to access the axle. This is the old axle, and I'm gonna put in the new axle. To make it easier, I used the needle nose pliers. First, I'm installing a washer where the axle comes out from the luggage to make it a little stronger. Now, reusing the existing bearings, I'm placing the new wheel to make sure the inner axle spins on the other side while I spin it. As you can see, it's not spinning. So this bearing will sit on the inside of the wheel, and then this bearing is on the outside of the wheel. However, when you tighten the axle, you want the insides of the bearings to touch each other. That way it doesn't cause extra force on the bearing itself. So for this case, in order for the bearings to touch each other, I'm gonna use 2 washers. That way when I tighten the axle, the 2 inner bearing cores will touch each other, and it will not cause extra force on the bearing. Now, using a little bit of Loctite tread locker blue, which can be removed, I applied it on the threads, installed the new wheel with bearings. I made sure not to over tight the axle, that way the wheel can spin more easily. So here you go, you have the 2 new wheels installed on your existing luggage. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe.